Here we go again. This is one of them cars, you know, when we come across one every so often, you think, wow, what a brilliant looking car that is. In the Carpathian Grey, this is the Range Rover Vogue SD V6, 59,000 miles, full service history, and the car is absolutely stunning. Brilliant value for money because it is the L405 model, so it's a facelift model Range Rover, not the most up-to-date, the new generation one, the one before that, but it's a £100,000 car for a fraction of the cost, and it looks absolutely magnificent. It drives awesome because it's super smooth, so comfortable, nice and quiet, 300 brake horsepower, and it's a big car, it's a big SUV with all the luxuries that you'd want in a car, and like I said, brilliant value for money. So starting from the front, you have got the factory black pack on it, which is the black badges, the black grills, the inserts in the front bumper. You've also got the LED style daytime running lights and the full LED headlights, front rear parking sensors, cruise control. The biggest extra on this car for me are the wheels. It's got the 22-inch upgraded alloy wheels in lovely gloss black, fixed mud flaps, and you've got the side steps as well. This car, like every time we get one of these that don't hang around, this one won't. So if you like what you see, my number's on the bottom of the screen, so give me a call direct. I'll talk you through the finance options, I'll talk you through your part exchange, and we'll hopefully get a deal done. This car has got full Land Rover service history, most recently serviced in January of 2023. So the car hasn't, no expense has been spared pretty much. Comfort access, the black window surrounds, sun protection glass, and you can just see there, this car's got the tilt and sliding panoramic roof. As for the interior, well, it's absolutely beautiful. Very comfortable seats, armrest, piano black interior inlays. You've got touchscreen media system. This car also has a heated steering wheel, and it's also got a refrigerator under the center armrest, which is an extra. Meridian sound system, electric seats, heated seats, and memory seats, both for driver and passenger. Lots of cubbyhole space there. 2 keys, twin cup holders, and more cubbyhole space just below. Automatic gearbox. You've then got the twin dash, top and bottom. Like I said, these armrests can be retracted and at different levels. In the back, you've got lots of space again. But look at the condition of the leather interior, third zone climate control, rear seats do recline ever so slightly. The car's done 59,000 miles. If I was buying this car over the phone, over the internet, from the pictures and the video, and I came to collect this car in 2 days' time, I genuinely would be over the moon with the condition. You have to be realistic. If the car's done 59,000 miles, there might be a couple of stone chips somewhere. There might be the smallest little scuff somewhere, but I mean smallest. Difficult to say, but certainly there is no dents on the car. If I'm honest with you, there is no scuffs on the car. I'm just saying in general, if the car's done 59,000 miles, do expect a little bit of sort of wear and tear somewhere. The black badges continue around the back. The LED style rear lighting system, the signature split tailgate, which is absolutely marvellous because you can use it and you can sit on it. These are the buttons for the rear seats to go down, but this little button here is the factory fitted electric deployable tow bar. So if you are going to tow with the car, it's ideal. Press the button, the tow bar comes out with the electrics. Once you finish using it, press the button again and it falls away. Underneath here, you've got more cubbyhole space, and you've also got a spare wheel. It's only a space saver, but it's better than nothing, just to get you out of trouble. And like I said, you have got automatic tailgate as well. Same again this side, there's no dent, there is no scuffs on the bumpers, there is no scratches on the side of the car, nothing like that whatsoever. All the wheels are in perfect condition, there's no curb damage at all. Again, the backs of the seats, even the leather, which has all been looked after very, very well. And this centre section comes down, which creates 2 more cup holders and cubbyhole space underneath. There's 12-volt sockets and USBs all over the car. And you've also got heated seats in the back as well. With this big piece of glass on the front section being tilt and slide all the way back, it lets lots of air in, lots of light in, but the car's a big car, so it feels very airy anyway. There's lots of leather on the back of the seat, and there's pockets there as well. And then, like I said, it's one of them cars, nearly fell there. It's just a good driver. So this is the driver's seat. This is where most, if not all, the impact is taken. Because when you're doing 59,000 miles, it's this seat. Sometimes the back seats aren't used, the passenger seat isn't. So let me just show you in detail, because if you are genuinely interested in this car, you're going to see a little bit of wear. But I'm talking normal creases, but other than that, it's perfect. You've then got the full digital dash just there. You've got the stereo controls, Bluetooth control, paddle shift, reversing camera system just over here. And like I said, the media system is very easy to use, so that could be the navigation side of stuff, the media, the Bluetooth, go across, and then you've got the in-control apps. there's not much more you could ask for really. The car really is that good. The car's amazing. 22-inch wheels in the Carpathian Grey. Full service history. The car also does come with a fresh 12 months MOT. We check the tyres, we check the brakes, and the car gets a full valet before it leaves here. But it really is a special car because of the way it looks, because of the colour and the specification. My name's Joe. Thanks for watching. Bye bye now.